I'm Qiong Wu, a marketing science partner at Meta. Thank you for joining this guided measurement meditation to unlock the power of mindful measurement and transform your marketing strategy to achieve long-term success. Mindful measurement is to have an elevated awareness and understanding on three fundamental questions. 1. Why should your business care about measurement? 2. What is good measurement in this AI era? And 3. How to leverage measurement to drive long-term growth. Let me elaborate on each of these questions before we practice mindful measurement together. Let's start with why should we care about measurement. But first, I want to share a fascinating finding with you. This chart shows a surprising trend between Disney movie releases and divorce rates in the UK based on 12 years of data. Does this mean Disney movies cause divorces? Well, before jumping to conclusions, let's think for a second. Just because two events happen together, it doesn't necessarily mean one caused the other one to happen. This is just one of many entertaining correlation charts out there. Like the number of movies Leonardo DiCaprio appeared in highly correlates with rainy days in Paris. I highly encourage everyone to ask Meta AI for fun correlation examples after the Meta Marketing Summit. Okay, back to business. Why is it important to make the distinction between correlation and causation? Because we want to make strategic decisions based on what caused my sales to grow, not what beautifully correlated with my sales growth, like the Disney chart. This is where experiments come in. The scientific approach to evaluate the true impact of marketing is to randomly split your target audience into two groups. One group is exposed to marketing, and the other group is not. By the end of the experiment, if any differences in business outcomes are observed, we can conclude that they were caused by marketing, because marketing is the only difference between the two groups. This method is called randomized controlled trials, and is the gold standard in scientific research. According to Bain & Company, businesses that regularly run experiments see ROI increases of 20% or more. Therefore, the ability to evaluate different measurement solutions through the lens of correlation and causation is a crucial differentiator that sets businesses apart. So let's put on this lens and evaluate three common categories of measurement solutions. First up, experiments leverages randomized controlled trials, therefore can establish the ground truth for real impact. Attribution is based on correlation because there's no control group that isolates the impact of marketing. Marketing mix modeling sits in between that uses statistical analysis to estimate the incremental impact of marketing activities. As you can see, not all measurement tools are equally capable of capturing the real impact of your ads. That's why it's important to calibrate both your MMM and attribution models with experiments. However, there's also no one-size-fits-all measurement solution to address all the challenges we face today. Each solution has its own unique strengths and limitations. The key is to leverage the right solution to answer the right business question. Accuracy is the biggest strength of experiments, such as conversion lift studies. Therefore, they are best suited for making strategic in-channel decisions. MMM's biggest strength is cross-channel measurement, making it instrumental in making cross-channel budget allocation decisions. Attribution tools, such as Ads Manager, are great for real-time reporting and tactical optimization. At Meta, we support advertisers' diverse measurement needs with a broad ecosystem of solutions. Meta's measurement solutions are the first stop for optimizing Meta campaigns. This includes brand and conversion lift experiments, Ads Manager reporting, and custom solutions, such as advanced analytics, which can unlock new insights such as reach overlap, halo effects, conversion lift driven by new versus existing customers. AA also allows advertisers to build customized attribution and customer lifetime value models. We also build and support tools for businesses who work with partners or want to create custom solutions leveraging our open source libraries. In addition to Robin and GeoLift, we are beta testing a brand new open source package called LT Vision designed to estimate the potential PLTV opportunity size based on your business model. Stay tuned for more information. So to answer the first fundamental question, why should we care about measurements? That is to make informed decisions by choosing the right measurement solution for the right business question. Now let's move on to the second fundamental question. What is good measurement in this AI era? Over the last few years, AI has revolutionized how advertising works. We've shifted from buying space to buying audiences to buying outcomes on AI-driven platforms like Meta. What does this mean? It means that AI is becoming exceptionally efficient at maximizing the specific outcome you ask for. Meanwhile, AI has also democratized digital marketing, making these powerful optimization engines accessible to businesses of all sizes. Now you may ask, when everyone has access to Meta's super AI, how can my business stand out from the crowd? The answer lies in how well is your business aligned on three key elements. What's the long-term business goal that truly matters for your business? How is your long-term goal broken down into KPIs that you and your teams are measured on? And what outcomes are you asking Meta's AI engines to deliver? We often see challenges arise when these elements don't align. For example, a retailer aiming to drive omni-channel growth might only optimize towards online purchases and measure success using last-click attribution. Or an app advertiser aiming to increase profitability but optimizing towards app installs and measuring success based on cost per purchase. But today, I want to share one advertiser story where all three elements were aligned, and this alignment became a game changer for their business. Systrene Grene is a Danish retailer who has a clear vision to drive long-term profitable growth through acquiring high-value loyal customers. We help them create signals that represent their long-term profitability based on a predicted customer lifetime value model, or PLTV, in collaboration with third-party solution provider Churning. Through extensive testing and iterations, we developed an innovative PLTV strategy using bid multipliers to optimize towards their high-value PLTV signals. We also worked together to define both the testing KPI and the ultimate success metric, repeat purchase rate from new customers acquired through the PLTV strategy. This close partnership led to remarkable results. The PLTV strategy not only drove 31% more incremental purchases compared to the existing strategy, but also attracted new customers with 24% higher repeat purchase rate over a 6-month period, according to the client's own cohort analysis. Drawing learnings from Systrene Grene's journey, one of the defining success factors is their unparalleled execution of the test and learn framework. It all started with a clear vision that their entire company is aligned on, and together we formed hypotheses on what potential strategies could help them optimize directly towards their long-term goal. We then tested the hypothesis with a conversion lift study to measure the true incremental impact of this strategy. In Disney movie style, this is where I would say the test was super successful. They adopted the strategy and we all lived happily ever after without divorces. But reality is not a fairy tale. The initial conversion lift study did not show improved results, but they didn't give up. Instead, we went back to the hypothesis phase and collaborated on potential tweaks to test. This iteration between new hypothesis and new testing happened 8 times over a 3-month period before we finally developed a solid PLTV strategy that consistently outperformed their existing one. After the test and learn phase, the last crucial step in the test and learn framework is act and scale. Without actively implementing the winning strategy, there won't be any improvement on your business outcome. So in conclusion, the key to leveraging measurement in driving sustainable growth is to follow the test and learn framework, where it starts with a clear vision and ends with real actions before a new cycle starts. Now, let's take this 2-minute guided measurement meditation. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Now gently bring your attention to 3 questions I will be asking you. Question 1. What's your long-term business goal that truly matters? Are your KPIs and optimization signals aligned with this goal? Question 2. How are you making strategic decisions today? Is your source of truth based on correlation or causation? Question 3. What's your biggest challenge in the test and learn framework? A clear goal, a well-defined hypothesis, the right measurement tool, or shifting strategies based on findings? Now gently bring your attention back to the present moment and open your eyes. Thank you all for joining this measurement meditation. I hope you now have greater clarity on what to focus on in 2025. Namaste.
Hey Meta Marketing Summit, a warm welcome to you all from London.
Hi, I'm Tino, Country Director Germany, Austria and Switzerland at Meta. I will answer a few questions about privacy and performance. Notably the question from Kirsten from Germany, who asked about the performance and measurement solutions that respect user privacy. All the measurement solutions we support are focusing on aggregated results, namely overall sales or brand lift. Some of them utilize individual behavior data of opted-in users, some don't, but none of them report on individual user behavior. In particular, if you look at solutions like marketing mix modeling or geo-testing, these are not working with any individual user data at all. The most accurate measurement solutions available on our platforms, measuring incremental impact of advertising, utilize individual user data of opted-in users, but only report on aggregated results as well. We respect existing user choices for ad settings, business ads data sharing settings, and event enhancement features. This means that we adhere to the privacy preference set by users regarding the data.
Hi, I'm Amy Brooks. I'm the Director of Business Education at Meta. We had a question from Christine in the UK about what's the best certification to get started with Meta products. And I'm super glad you asked. If you haven't explored Meta Blueprint, I really encourage you to do that. This program offers free online education, webinars, and certifications to get you started on Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. We recommend starting with the Meta Digital Marketing Associate. It'll give you those skills to get going, to build your business and reach your business goals. To kick off your learning journey with ease, we've put together a customized learning path for all Meta Marketing Summit attendees, exploring those most critical learnings to leverage in order for you to drive your business growth.